I can teach you how to draw cars. Talent is overrated. I want to talk to you guys about something I've been working on behind the scenes for a while now. People ask me questions in messages and comments how they can improve their skills, like what techniques to use, how to choose the right colors, how to get the proportions right, all that stuff. And I can see where people are struggling and I can definitely help. So I thought, why not work with you guys properly so you don't have to make those mistakes I've made in the last 10 plus years. So this is for anyone who's serious about improving their skills at card drawings. In these sessions, I can look at your work, point out exactly what to fix, and I'll show you techniques that will actually make a difference. What really helps you improve faster, that you have someone who tells you right away what you're doing right or what you're doing wrong, or is something you need to work on. So in these sessions, we will go through things like how to get proportions right, or obviously the outlines. There are two things that I use to this day, is the good old grid and tracing. Tracing is obviously faster, but I highly recommend, especially for beginners, to start using the grid because it would definitely help you improve. I personally use both of them sometimes in the same time, because even if you trace it, you need to adjust the outlines to the perfection. How to use markers and pencils properly. If you never tried drawing markers, you need to spend some time to practice how actually it feels like. I always keep a spare paper next to my drawing, and I always test the colors that I need or before I start drawing the actual part of the card, because once you draw a line with marker, there's no way back, so you can't undo that. That's why it's always safe to practice on a separate paper. Color choices and blending. One of the hardest part is to decide what color to use, especially in the beginning when you have no idea or you just started using the markers. I still have my little color chart and I have a trick how to find them as quick as possible. Interesting fact that I don't own all the colors from this marker brand. They always release a few new ones. I keep buying them if I find something that I need for my current project. And just overall how to make your drawings realistic and sharp. There's no magic, guys. You need to just practice. I put so much work into this, and then now you have my help. If you want to improve your skills and you don't want to spend more than 10 years figuring out yourself, I'm here to help. Like I said, talent is overrated. Hard work beats talent anytime. If it's something you want, you're interested in, to improve your skills to the next level, this is my email address. In the end of the day, if you enjoy my content, thank you very much for watching. But if you want to improve, coaching is here for you. Thank you very much for all the support, guys, all the messages. Thank you. I appreciate that. See you guys in the next video.